Imagine a brain, but not just any brain. A super brain that can write stories, translate languages, and answer almost any question you throw at it. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of large language models, or LLMs. These AI systems are revolutionizing how we interact with technology, making it smarter and more intuitive. But there's a catch. Just like a real brain needs lots of energy, LLMs need powerful computers to run. These computers are expensive and use a ton of electricity. That's where QLoRA comes in, like a superhero shrinking those giant AI brains to fit on regular computers. QLoRA makes these amazing AI systems accessible to everyone, not just big companies with huge data centers. It's like giving everyone a mini version of that super brain to experiment with and learn from. Imagine being able to harness the power of an LLM on your personal laptop, or even a small desktop computer. This is a game changer for students, researchers, hobbyists, and small businesses. No longer do you need to have access to a massive server farm to benefit from advanced AI capabilities. With QLoRA, we're entering a new era where the power of AI is within everyone's reach. This democratization of AI technology means that innovation can come from anywhere, not just from well-funded tech giants. Imagine a student in a remote village using QLoRA to develop a new app, or a small business owner leveraging AI to optimize their operations. The possibilities are endless. Moreover, QLoRA is not just about making AI more accessible, it's also about making it more sustainable. By reducing the computational power required to run these models, we can significantly cut down on energy consumption. This is crucial in our fight against climate change. Imagine a world where advanced AI doesn't come at the cost of our planet. In summary, QLoRA is paving the way for a future where AI is not only more accessible, but also more sustainable. It's like having a mini version of a superbrain that anyone can use, without the hefty price tag or environmental impact. So whether you're a student, a researcher, a small business owner, or just someone curious about AI, QLoRA opens up a world of possibilities. The quest for mini-me AI is not just a technological advancement, it's a step towards a more inclusive and sustainable future. Let's embrace this new era and see where it takes us. So, how does QLoRA work its magic? Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI and machine learning to understand this better. It all starts with a clever technique called LoRA, which stands for Low-Rank Adapters. This technique is a game changer in the field of AI. Think of an LLM, or large language model, as a giant, intricate sculpture. This sculpture is built from countless data points and complex algorithms, making it a marvel of modern technology. It's already amazing, but sometimes you want to add your own personal touch. Maybe you want the AI to understand a specific niche or adapt to a particular style. Instead of changing the entire sculpture, which would be a monumental task, LoRA lets you stick on small, carefully placed modifications. These modifications are like adding stickers to the sculpture. These stickers are much smaller than the original sculpture, but they can dramatically change its overall appearance. They allow for precise and targeted adjustments without altering the core structure. Similarly, LoRA tweaks the LLM's existing knowledge with tiny adjustments, making it learn new things without retraining the entire model. This is akin to teaching an old dog new tricks without going through the entire training process again. This is much more efficient than rebuilding the entire sculpture or retraining the entire LLM. The efficiency of LoRA means that we can make these adjustments quickly and with less computational power. LoRA lets us personalize and fine-tune AI models without needing massive computing power. This opens up a world of possibilities for customizing AI to meet specific needs and preferences. Imagine the potential applications, from personalized customer service bots to AI that can write in the style of your favorite author. The possibilities are endless. As we continue to explore and develop these techniques, the future of AI looks incredibly promising. With tools like LoRA, we can push the boundaries of what AI can do, making it more adaptable, efficient, and personalized than ever before. So the next time you think about AI, remember that it's not just about building something big and complex. It's also about the small, smart tweaks that make a big difference. And that's the magic of LoRA. QLoRA takes things a step further with another trick up its sleeve: quantization. Imagine you're trying to pack for a trip, but your suitcase is too small. Quantization is like swapping your bulky items for smaller, more compact versions. Instead of storing every single detail of the LLM's information, quantization rounds up similar values. It's like using fewer decimal places in a calculation. You still get the general idea, just with a little less precision. This compression makes the LLM's data much smaller without significantly impacting its performance. It's like shrinking those giant AI brains down to a more manageable size. QLoRA superpowers AI for everyone. Experiments on the fly. QLoRA's combination of LoRA and quantization is a game changer. It unlocks a whole new world of possibilities for AI, making it faster, cheaper, and more accessible than ever before. One of the biggest benefits is democratization. QLoRA empowers researchers, developers, and even hobbyists to experiment with powerful LLMs on their own computers. This opens up a world of opportunities for innovation and discovery. Imagine students building their own chatbots, artists collaborating with AI to create stunning visuals, or small businesses using LLMs to analyze customer data. QLoRA makes all of this possible. The balancing act, when smaller AI makes tiny mistakes. While QLoRA offers incredible potential, it's important to acknowledge the trade-offs. Just like squeezing a large image into a smaller file can sometimes make it a little blurry, QLoRA's compression techniques can sometimes lead to a slight decrease in accuracy. This doesn't mean QLoRA-powered AI is unreliable. It just means there's a slight chance it might misinterpret a complex instruction or generate text that's a tad less coherent. The good news is that researchers are constantly working on improving QLoRA's algorithms to minimize these trade-offs. And in many cases, the benefits of accessibility and efficiency far outweigh the slight potential for reduced accuracy. The future is mini AI in your pocket thanks to QLoRA. QLoRA is paving the way for a future where powerful AI is no longer confined to massive data centers. Imagine a world where your smartphone can run sophisticated language models, providing you with personalized assistance, real-time translation, and even generating creative content on the go. This technology could revolutionize education, healthcare, and countless other industries. Imagine doctors using AI-powered devices to diagnose diseases more accurately, or students learning from personalized tutors that adapt to their individual needs. QLoRA is making these futuristic scenarios a reality by bringing the power of AI to the palm of our hands. Joining forces for a smarter tomorrow. QLoRA and the power of collaboration. The development of QLoRA is a testament to the power of collaboration in the field of AI. It showcases how collective efforts can lead to groundbreaking advancements that might be impossible to achieve individually. Researchers from different institutions and backgrounds came together to tackle the challenge of making LLMs more efficient and accessible. This diverse group brought unique perspectives and expertise, enriching the development process and ensuring a more robust outcome. This spirit of collaboration is crucial for ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared widely and used responsibly. By working together, we can address potential biases, ethical dilemmas, and ensure that AI technologies are developed with a focus on fairness and inclusivity. As we continue to explore the potential of this transformative technology, it's important to remember that collaboration doesn't just happen in the lab. It extends to policymaking, education, and public engagement, ensuring that all stakeholders have a voice in the development and deployment of AI. It's essential that we work together to address ethical concerns and ensure that AI is used for good. This means creating frameworks and guidelines that promote transparency, accountability, and trust in AI systems. QLoRA is not just a technological breakthrough, it's a symbol of the incredible things we can achieve when we combine our knowledge, skills, and passion. It represents the collective effort of many brilliant minds working towards a common goal. By fostering a culture of collaboration, we can continue to push the boundaries of what's possible and create a better future for everyone. This collaborative spirit is what drives innovation and ensures that the advancements we make are beneficial to all of humanity. The journey of QLoRA is a reminder that when we work together, we can overcome challenges and achieve remarkable feats. It's a call to action for all of us to embrace collaboration in our own fields and contribute to a smarter, more connected world. As we look to the future, let us remember the power of collaboration and the impact it can have. Together, we can harness the potential of AI to create solutions that are not only innovative, but also ethical and inclusive. The story of QLoRA is just the beginning. With continued collaboration, we can unlock new possibilities and drive progress in ways we never imagined. Let's continue to join forces and build a smarter tomorrow together. Thanks for watching and subscribe to VLab Solutions.